Hey guys, and welcome back to Raymore Repair. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of this Wrench Rabbit engine rebuild kit. Now this particular one is for a Honda CRF450, a 2005 model that I'm working on. But I thought it'd be kind of neat just to go through this kit and see what all you get, because I've never seen one on one, and kind of get an idea what you got. Here we go. Whoa! All right. We have, first of all, a Vertex Gasket Set. Now this includes the head and base gasket. It also has the valve stem seals in it. A lot of washers. There's your gasket for your water pump and what have you. Also the engine case gaskets, left, right, and also center case gasket. There's a part number on it if you want to take a look at that. It's an 808267. A little bit of bubbly stuff. Let's see. A Vertex Piston Kit, 23003B. This fits a CRF450, 05 through 08, and also 05 through 18 of the 450X. What we're working on is a CRF450R. Got stickers. Some directions. And we have a piston. Take a look at this sweetheart. Ooh, that's nice. Got the coating on it. Yep, looks way better than our other one. Let's stick this back in as protective webbing. And we have a set of rings. Set of piston rings, oil control rings, and also our compression ring. These only use one compression ring. And we also have a wrist pin and circlips. That's a pretty complete engine kit, or piston kit. There's that. Ooh, I'll put the stickers back in there too. I'm pretty sure they'll end up in my toolbox. Alrighty, up next. This is a transmission bearing kit. This is a TBK001. It is a Hot Rods kit. And this comes with all 4 of your bearings and a seal. Now, that's kind of cool. It even comes with a shift drum bearing in there, and also the seal, where the seal rides for the countershaft. So you got all that. The countershaft seal isn't in here, but I'm pretty sure it's in a different box and a different set of stuff. So that's cool. Transmission bearing kit. This is a main bearing and seal kit. They call it a K019. This is also from Hot Rods. And it comes with both of our main seals and both of our main bearings. What's next? Water pump kit. Wow, we got a bearing and both of our seals for our water pump and also our gasket. I'm not going to open this one because it's pretty obvious what's in here. But if you're wondering, this is a WPK 0001. That's what that is. And we also have counterbalancer kit. And that's good, because our counterbalancer, this bearing is junk in our engine. This is a camshaft chain silent kit. This is just a cam chain. Not just, it is a cam chain. And we were needing one of those. And this fits a whole bunch of different models, but it definitely includes our 05 CRF450R. And if you're curious about that part number, feel free to pause the video and take a look at it. It's an HC92 RH2015112. And this is a engine oil seal kit. This is a Vertex engine oil seal kit, and it looks pretty stinking complete. I'm going to guess some of these seals are in some of the other kits we already have, so we're going to end up with some spares on this deal. But yeah, those I think are the main seals. I think that's a countershaft seal. Not too sure those two aren't water pump seals. So we're going to have some duplicates, but that's better than not having enough, by all means. And then This is the main thing we're after right here. Hooah. This is our crankshaft. And this is the main thing we were after in this kit. Ours has got some galling in the small end of the connecting rod. Otherwise, ours is in pretty good shape. But new crank, new rod. So we got a pretty good selection of parts here that we can work through. And we'll be putting these in the engine. But I just want to do a quick unboxing of the Wrench Rabbit kit. Now you might ask, why are we going Wrench Rabbit instead of going back to the OE parts? Well, I tell you, I usually prefer the OE parts. I really do. But these kits have a pretty good reputation, and they are a fraction of the cost of the new stuff. In fact, it's about half or a little less of what you would pay for everything new from OEM. And this being an 05, some parts may be getting a little tougher to get. We're talking about a almost 20-year-old dirt bike. So this was a cost-effective way to go, and this is the way that the owner of the bike wanted to go, so this is what we're doing. But this is a Wrench Rabbit kit, and that's what's in the box. I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, tune in. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. I'm always open to comments and questions. Like the video, it doesn't cost you a thing, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks. See you next time on Raymore Repair.